Maybe we'd be heroes in the age of love, but the age of love is slowly fell out of touch. Try to be the best, it's never good enough.
Welcome to the first episode of a show that has no name yet. But yeah, maybe I'll figure it out later. But anyway, so the idea of this whole show is to look back to adventures and videos that happened in the past or that we did and tell you more stories, tell you more insights about what actually happened. Because I felt like nowadays with all the social media, there are some people that just create content for likes and to impress people. But the main reason why I started to making videos is because I wanted to capture the moments. I wanted to capture memories and keep them forever. And right now we're gonna look back to a video and I'm gonna look back to that adventure and gonna see or gonna feel how awesome that was. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first video that we're gonna review, it's kind of a special one. It's called I'm a Life Liver, made by myself. And so to give you a little story about how this all, a little story about the video. In 2016, early 2016, I was living in an apartment in Switzerland, and all of a sudden I was like, I don't want to live there anymore. I think I want to move out. So what happened is that I gave up my apartment. I literally just moved out, stored all the stuff I had at my parents' place, and I was like, okay, now I go on an adventure and see what happens. So basically this is what I did. I just got in my car and drove north. I started in Germany and I was like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's just drive and see what happens. And yeah, it ended up that I was living in my car for 2 months. I was driving all the way up to Scandinavia and had an awesome time, learned a lot, and especially in Norway. If you haven't been to Norway, you should go. But yeah, enough talking, let's start the video. Yeah, waking up like this in Norway happened a lot. I was actually camping a lot and yeah, waking up to views like that, it's just insane. All right, first insight to this place. So when I was there was the midnight sun. So it never really got dark, like fully dark. How dark it is right now outside, like it never got that dark. So basically this one night or evening, I was hiking up this mountain and I looked for a place to stay or to set up my tent, and it was really foggy that night, so I couldn't really see what's behind me or how high the drop was, because I kind of knew where I am, but also I didn't. So at one point I was just like, okay, let's camp here. And yeah, so I had a proper night of sleep, and the next morning I got up and this was the view. Amazing. Yeah. That was actually, I think that was the same night. No, wrong. That was another place. But basically, I got up at 5 a.m. or something because I wanted to hike back down in time. So yeah, I literally started that hike, and the hike was around 5 hours or something. And about half an hour into the hike, I wanted to cross this river, and I slipped on a rock and fell backwards into the freezing cold water. And yeah, I was wet. So that was a good start. Yeah, also something to that. After I was in Scandinavia, I went to America, met up with Max Henry, another cool parkour dude. And yeah, we're road tripping around there with his van. Yeah, that was Norway again. Lofoten Island. Phew. Actually, let me pause here. Lofoten Island is probably the most magical place I've ever been to, ever. It's crazy. Like, every time I look back at footage like I do right now, I just want to go back there right now. Yeah, meeting amazing people all the way or everywhere. I mean, actually this dude randomly let us jump onto his boat in Amsterdam. That was funny too. So, as I said before, there was the midnight sun going on, and this clip was actually taken at 2:30 a.m. or something. So it was in the middle of the night. There was no one around, and the sun looked really nice. It was just a really nice atmosphere, and I was like, okay, let's get on a ride on my longboard. So I was riding around my board here, and then all of a sudden there was a truck driver passing through, and he was staring at me. He was like, what is this guy doing? Like just by himself in the middle of the street, or in the middle of the night, in the middle of the street, yeah. So what was he thinking? Yeah, so basically this was my whole summer of 2016, America. Yeah, just, I mean, that's just so awesome. Like, even just this clip, so many good memories are connected to this one. I made fire without a lighter. Yeah, it's crazy. I made it after like 2 hours trying. Yeah, because I was living on the road, this is how I took showers, underneath a waterfall. That happened, the story I told you before, when I woke up and had this amazing view. This was when I was searching for the place to sleep. So yeah, as you can see, it was really foggy and you couldn't really see anything. Yeah, Troll's Tongue, another place in Norway. You probably know it or have seen it on videos. That was Frankfurt actually. That was when I started my tour. I drove through Germany, and I stopped in pretty much all major cities and was training there. I really love the song. Like, that's another awesome thing. Like, the music you choose for those videos, it's literally like it connects you so much with those adventures. And yeah, like when I listen to this song, like I remember instantly to that videos and to all those memories. Lofoten Island, Lofoten Island. Yeah, what should I say? It's just an amazing place. Lofoten Island again. I mean, Lofoten Island, you can see I had a lot of fun there. Yeah. Got goosebumps. Yeah, be a life liver. Because this is like the message I had after this whole trip. Because I was literally having no plan. I was just like, let's go on this adventure. Let's see what happens. Like, be a life liver. Live life and enjoy it. So yeah, that was the first video that I told you a little bit more stories about that. I'm curious to know what you think about this format. I definitely want to do more because there are a lot of videos that I created over the past 10 years and also with some other people. So I'm definitely planning on having some guests or just friends with me on this show to talk about what happened on those adventures. So yeah, let me know if you like it or not, or just let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you next Tuesday for sure with another Xcover project episode. And until then, have a good one. Discover differently. Yeah.